Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple ID plus iCloud password. So let's get started. Firstly, open your settings. As appears on the top, you can see sign into your iPhone. Just tap on it. As appears on screen, you can see Apple ID. Sign in with your Apple ID to use iCloud and other Apple services. Just tap it. I don't have Apple ID or forgetted it. Appears on screen, you can see create Apple ID, forget Apple ID. Just tap at forget Apple ID. Wait for a moment. As appears on screen, you can see forgotten password, forgotten Apple ID. Just enter your Apple ID. Just tap at next. As appears on screen, you can see enter your trusted phone number to continue. Enter your trusted phone number. Tap at next. Verification code. Wait for a moment. It's verifying. Enter your passcode or other iPhone. As appears on screen, you can see new Apple ID password. Enter your new Apple ID password. As appears on screen, you can see your password has been changed. Just tap at done. Now it's signing into your iCloud. Enter your iPhone passcode. As appears on screen, you can see the Apple ID has been reset and iCloud has been recovered. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.